The biggest nightmare traffic jam at toll gates will no longer exist. Save your fuel with a top-notch idea. The next big step for Go Digital India. Fastag, it's an electronic toll collection system. Fastag, it has RFID technology for making toll payments directly from the prepaid account linked to it. Convenient mode of transaction done in few seconds. Our time and fuel will be saved by leaps and bounds. Manual maintenance at toll gates is not a concern anymore. Tag your vehicle with Fastag before 15th December to roll the wheels at the toll gates.